Hi, we are going to analyze crude oil and natural oil for 13th Thursday, 13th July Thursday. So if you look at natural gas, it is forming a range in daily. This was the breakout region, broke down below breakout region, and again it is above that. But yesterday we had a fall. So this region would be a volatile region, the breakout region. So we will try to avoid trading in that particular range. So if you see this range from 222 to 216 or 218, this particular range is volatile, so we will avoid trading in this range. Once price breaks out of this range or breaks down of this range, we could see a momentum. So one trade that we can look into is if we get a gap up tomorrow, uh, the gap up this 222.79. If we get any gap up like here, we could try for a shot near this one 221.60 paise at this level, keeping an SL of 50 paisa after a bearish candle. So that would be one trade. This is because we had a fall yesterday. If we have a gap up, it might retest till previous day's closing, then it might move above. But if it is a gap up, it might be in this range for the entire that is from 224 to 216. So it might be an inside candle. So on Friday we can see if it is breaking above or below and take a trade based on that. If you can see in weekly, we are forming a inside candle, and in this week we might get an inside candle only. So it might close near 216 or around 216. There is a high possibility of that one. So if we go to crude oil, in daily candle we continuously are making a higher high. This has crossed even this candle's high also. Now we can take a short trade. This is a previous sharp selling zone, so we can take a trade, or there will be a resistance at 6,278. So we can plan a trade at 6,278, keeping 5 points of SL. If we get a gap up and in first 10-15 minutes on, we'll get this. If we get this level at 2 600 6,278, that level in first 10-15 minutes only, then we can plan a short trade if we get a red candle in 5 minutes, keeping the SL as the high of that candle, or maybe 5 to 10 points maximum as an SL, and the target would be this previous closing of 6,200. If we get a flat opening, we have a trend line going here, so we can take a small quantity, buy small quantity, and add a quantity here when this crosses 6,244 to a target of 6,075. That's it for crude oil. Crude oil is looking great in weekly. This has closed above previous swing, so in weekly also we are expecting a strong closing above this previous swing, that is 6,170, 6,190. The high of this candle is 6,190, so we are expecting a closing above that one. Maybe it might reach till here also. 6,300 possibilities are there. So if it opens flat uh, and crosses these levels, we can buy half quantity here and add some more quantities at previous day high to a target of 6,275. If we get a big gap down below this level, 6,001, 6,156, then in the morning, if it breaks 6,156 or 150, we might get a sharp move in the morning, but maybe in the second half we can see some recovery, but we are not planning for the recovery trade. We'll plan for this fall off trade, means the breakout if it is a big gap down. That's it. Thank you.